The topic that I've chosen to speak on is about stereotyping Muslims as terrorists. Um, I think this is a wrong thing to do because it's the same as saying if a group of people uh, that belong to a certain community are thieves, then the whole community is a thief or are thieves. Uh, I would say that the major part in portraying Muslims as a group of terrorist people is done by media, which regularly prints or shows words such as Muslims or Islam with or relates words such as Muslim or Islam with words such as fanatic, fundamentalists, or militant or terrorists, etc. Events such as the Iranian Revolution in the 1970s, the subsequent hostage crisis, and the wartime rhetoric of Saddam Hussein, the bombing of the Twin Trade Towers are generally related to Muslims or Muslim terrorists, or they are portrayed as an example of Islamic fundamentalism. So we Muslims then ask why a few extremists whose terrorist actions violate the central principles of Islam should determine the public image of the whole Muslim community. And because of this reason, even moderate Muslims who are on the right path are thinking that they might as well support it because they are stereotyped that way. You can take anywhere in the world. All over Europe, Muslims are seen as someone who should not be talked to, or someone who will be creating disturbance in the near future as a terrorist or a suicide bomber. And media is cashing on these sentiments and the different sects of Islam and the European or the North American community. So I would suggest that we should all ponder upon this point and not let this thing grow.